So we're gonna talk about your toilet. It's gonna be potty talk in a nice way. Mike, do you know how to plunge a toilet right? I bet you don't. I bet you've never touched one of those. Come on back, we're gonna get you going.
March, of course. And that includes highlighting ways women can learn to be a confident homeowner without the need of a contractor. So Jen, what are you learning today?
Okay, no potty talk unless it's the good kind. Beth is here. Good morning.
Good morning.
And people probably know you, DIY Hip Chicks. You teach women like these women how to do stuff for themselves around the house and like literally get it done.
Yes, that's what we do.
That's why we have the Rosie Riveter thing, because like, you know, we're doing it for ourselves. So that's your mug that you're drinking.
This is my mug, yes.
I like
Everybody needs a toilet mug.
All right, so what are you showing people here in terms of spring?
Well, with spring comes maintenance, and we think about what did the winter do, and we look for, you know, any leaks that happen. We check our roof lines on our ceilings in our bedrooms, but sometimes we need to think about leaks that happen from the toilet.
Okay.
And we don't pay enough attention to our toilets. So you think about leaks. Go to the room that's under your toilet and look up. Was there any damage over time that we don't look up often enough?
Yeah.
But there's like 4 places where you can have a leak in a toilet.
Okay.
We can have it from the base of the toilet onto the floor.
Right.
Okay. We can have it here where the tank meets the bowl. And you just need to like maybe move the trash can and that squatty stool and see what's going on under there and check your valves. The next thing is we often have leaks from the flapper that goes from the tank to the bowl, allowing the water to move.
Okay.
And if you have a bad flapper, like we had here, you're going to be losing a ton of water.
Last thing you want is a bad flapper.
No bad flappers, because that's money down the drain, literally, because you're losing water and you hear it running.
Right.
When the toilet's refilling, it's because the flapper's bad. So when the flapper's bad, it could be that it's not seated properly anymore, it's gotten warped, it's got a ton of mineral crust. So this is a simple $5, $7 part that you can replace.
You just replace it.
Yeah, super easy.
Okay, we were talking a little bit about the plunger. I was describing my son, who is not able to watch the TV show at this point. He's a clogger, okay? Him and his friends are cloggers. So you say we're plunging wrong.
Yes, many people are plunging incorrectly.
Okay.
So people will buy those flat-bottomed plungers,
right,
and they're not as effective because it just pushes the water up the sides, and that just makes a mess.
Wow.
So buy a plunger that has more of a protrusion on the bottom.
Okay.
The accordion style is awesome, but it gets down into the neck of that bowl. But I've seen a lot of people who are wimpy plungers.
Oh.
And they'll just go like this.
Yeah, we don't want that.
You know, and like shake the hip and do that. No. I want you to do this like you're doing CPR on your kid.
Okay.
So you're going to be doing staying alive, right? Staying alive, staying alive. Really plunge that toilet. So you break up that seal and poof, it all just clears on you.
Thank you.
But it's dirty.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody wants to do that.
No.
So here's my hack.
Okay.
You grab a trash bag.
Yep.
You take your plunger.
Okay.
You poke a hole for your handle.
Okay.
You put it in, and you do this. And now you have covered the bowl.
Yep.
Oop, let's do this way.
We get the idea.
Cover the bowl, and now you can plunge with the trash bag. It contains all of the mess, and when you're done, you just wrap it, and then you go clean it in the utility sink, and you're done.
I love it. All right, May 2nd is the time of your next event. We're going to talk about that more in the next segment.
Awesome.
Thank you. You guys did awesome. I'm really proud of all the work you did.
That's a great service.
It is.
May 2nd.
I love the Rosie the Riveter tribute
Yes.
for Women's History Month.
Yeah. Plunge, plunge, plunge.